Hi, Varun. My name is Yuki. I'm a communication specialist of the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory. So first of all, I want to thank you for meeting me. We know that you and your team participated in this project. So could you please introduce some basic information?
Yeah, hi Yuki, nice to meet you. So I'm Varun. I worked in the PMF program during the summer of 2021, and the client I worked for was Impact Guard, a fiberglass manufacturing company. And the main deliverables that they asked us kind of changed over the course of the time that we were working with them. It started with employee engagement and process improvement, and it went towards us providing them with a roadmap for data analytics.
Can you tell us in what ways has this project helped you to grow professionally?
Honestly, it was my first experience working with a local manufacturer here. I've not worked in this industry before, so there was a lot of exposure that I gained out of this and a lot of experience I've gained. And also working with the clients who were unclear about what they were looking for, and it was more up to us on trying to understand what they want from us. So that experience, that first-hand experience of consulting, where we're trying to figure out the problem for them and trying to understand where they would be going wrong or where we are going wrong is and deal with those situations where we had to, even though the client doesn't like the answer, but we have to give it to them. So these kind of situations that I faced, I think are going to be very beneficial going ahead for me.
Well, that's interesting. And could you share one thing you learned as the result of this project that will help you in your career?
Yeah, so I think the one thing I would always say is be open to possibilities is the only thing that I learned, because often whatever the clients ask you, stick to what they ask you. Never look around and try to see maybe they are wrong, maybe they're looking for something else, maybe they're looking for something better. So this initiative has enabled me to do that, is just not stick to something that has been asked of you, but try to see if there's any other way you can provide value, or even investigate if what they're wanting is really what they're asking.
Last but not least, we want to know how would you describe your experience about this project in 3 words?
I think it's very productive, and it was very enlightening, and I guess it was very educational for me to kind of understand everything and go ahead with this, and hopefully this will help me ahead in my career as well.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience and your story. We appreciate that.
Yeah,
Thank you.
no problem.